How can I cache refresh in Google Chrome? Browser cache is temporary storage in a web browser that creates copies of static content like images, CSS, JS files, etc. Browser cache. When you call any web page first, then it requests the actual web server for the content, and that is cached in caching server, and also responses from the actual server are returned to the client. Then on a subsequent call, the client browser received the response from the caching server instead of the actual server. Now let's look at how to cache refresh in Chrome. Open Web Browser and open one tab. Right-click on the screen and select Inspect Element. If the window appears on the left, then click on the three dot and then click on Dock to Bottom icon. Then navigate to the Network tab. Then in the search bar type stackoverflow.com. I have visited this website for the first time. Press Enter. Here you will see all JS images are downloaded from Stack Overflow web server. Now at the top right corner, you will find the refresh icon. Just click on it. You will find most of the information is loaded from the cache. This is an actual subsequent request I have mentioned before. Now when you right-click on the refresh icon at the top, you have three options. 1. Normal reload. 2. Hard reload. 3. Empty cache and hard reload. When you click on normal reload, you see it will not clear the cache. When you click on hard reload, then it will re-download everything from web server. And ignore the cache. When you click on empty cache and hard reload, then it will clear the cache first and download everything from the web server. So we can see with the help of hard reload and empty cache we refresh cache in Google Chrome. You can do this from a shortcut as well. If you press Ctrl+R, then it will normally reload the page. If you press Ctrl+Shift+R to hard reload the page. If you want to refresh the whole Chrome, then you can clear the browser cache. For this, click on the three dots at the top. Click on Settings, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data, check the boxes next to Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Then click on Clear Data. Now when you visit any website, then again all the static content information like CSS, JS, and images will be downloaded.